In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. This process is essential if you're running an online store and want to offer seamless shipping options to your customers. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to ensure your shipping setup on Squarespace is both efficient and easy for your customers to understand. First, you'll want to open the Squarespace website. Once you're logged in, look towards the dashboard where you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, click on Settings. Now, it might appear straightforward, but taking the time to navigate these settings effectively will save you time later. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the section labeled Selling. This area encompasses all things related to commerce, like payment methods, taxes, and of course shipping, which is our main focus today. With just a click on Selling, you'll reveal more options, and your next stop is Shipping. This section allows you to manage how products reach your customers. It might seem like a lot, but don't worry. We're going to stick to some foundational steps to get you started. Click on Shipping, and you're one step closer to configuring your store's shipping settings. Now, you'll need to click on Add Shipping option. Here's where you can start defining how you want to charge for shipping, one of the most important aspects for any online retailer. You'll want to select Flat Rate from the options provided. This is a method where you charge a single fixed fee per shipment, regardless of order size or weight. The simplicity of this option often makes it a popular choice among small business owners, as it's easy for both you and the customer to understand. Once you've selected the Flat Rate option, you'll need to enter the name of your shipping option. Consider something descriptive yet simple, such as Standard Shipping or Express Delivery. This name will be visible to your customers during checkout, so it should be clear. Next, set the rate. This is the amount your customers will pay for shipping under this particular option. Deciding the rate may take some thought and should factor in your own costs, competitiveness, and what works for both you and your customers. Also, specify which country this flat rate applies to. If your store caters to customers worldwide, you might need to set different options for different regions. This part is crucial to avoid any confusion for your international buyers. Finally, once you've configured these settings to your satisfaction, don't forget to click Save. Saving ensures your changes are applied and your store is ready to process shipping as per your setup. And there you go. You've successfully set up shipping on Squarespace. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and make adjustments as your business needs change. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.